Can you leave your Traeger grill out in the rain? The answer might surprise you. Traeger grills are built to withstand some moisture, but there are important steps you should take to protect your investment. Traeger grills can handle water exposure to some extent. They're designed to withstand various weather conditions, but it's not recommended to leave them out in heavy rain for long periods. While minor water exposure isn't a major concern, it's best to take precautions to ensure your grill's longevity. To protect your Traeger from water damage, invest in a waterproof cover specifically designed for your grill model. This ensures a proper fit and maximum protection. After each use, especially if exposed to moisture, dry off your grill thoroughly. Wipe down the exterior with a clean cloth and leave the lid open for a few minutes to allow any internal moisture to escape. If your Traeger does get wet, don't panic. First, unplug the grill and let it cool completely. Remove the grates and drip pan, wiping them dry. Use a soft bristled brush or vacuum to remove excess water from the inside. Remember, water damage may void your warranty, so always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for proper use and maintenance. Grilling in wet conditions requires extra care. Place your grill on a level surface, away from flammable materials. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge, as rain can cause heat fluctuations. Consider using waterproof accessories like a grill umbrella. Use utensils with longer handles to maintain a safe distance from potential flare-ups caused by water hitting hot coals. There are some common misconceptions about Traeger grills and water. While the grill can get wet without damaging internal components, it's crucial to keep the controller and electrical connections dry. Water can cause exterior rust and corrosion if left untreated, so wipe down your grill after each use and apply a protective coating. Wet wood pellets can affect temperature and smoke output, so store them in a dry location. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your Traeger in top condition. Clean your grill regularly using warm, soapy water or Traeger grill cleaner. For exterior surfaces, remove ash from the fire pot and clean the grates after each use. Empty the grease bucket regularly to prevent overflow. Lubricate moving parts like the auger, fan, and bearings to ensure smooth operation. Regularly inspect electrical components for signs of damage or wear. In conclusion, while Traeger grills can handle some moisture, it's best to protect them from excessive water exposure. Use a cover, keep it sheltered when possible, and follow proper maintenance procedures. By taking these precautions, you'll ensure your Traeger grill continues to deliver delicious smoked meats and vegetables for years to come. Happy grilling, rain or shine!